No! He's dead! How could this happen? No!
Coordinates?
Approximately 22.3 north, 12.7 east, 200 kilometers northwest of planned flight path.
Then we establish 3 priorities: water, signaling, and preventing gangrene in that arm.
Yeah, it's pretty superficial. This plutonium sample's way worse. Wow, what is that lead shielded crates? I'm glad we still have our 1 liter of 80% ethanol, which is laboratory grade, 5 meters of copper wire, 18 gauge, silver nitrate solution, and some broken glass panes.
We can distill water using the ethanol as a heat source. The isotrope will.
That's wasteful. I think it'd be better to construct a solar still with the PVC sheeting. Wow, I'm glad we have our galvanic cell, and I can make it by using my anode aluminum tubing, oxides surface clean with my sodium sulfite, and my cathode with a copper wire wrapped in ethanol silk cloth, and my electrolyte with my zinc oxide suspension in minimal water.
1.6 volts. Enough to pulse an LED at 0.5 hertz intervals.
Size detect frequency between 400 to 500 wavelengths at best. We'll need some exact timing.
Radiation levels stable at 3.5 millisieverts per hour at 5 meters distance.
Below acute exposure limits, these chronic effects will not be manifesting for weeks.
We should have taken the commercial flight.
I know. Really? Not cool, Zong.
You created a stable DC power source using toothpaste and airplane parts.
Zinc oxide isn't toothpaste, and it was statistically preferable to.
We just followed the
Welcome
literature.
to the Nuclear Safety Advisory
Wow,
Group.
thank you. Okay, look. Was it stupid? Yeah, I agree. Would I do it again? Probably. What is the thing? Chemistry doesn't care. You know why we are deserts? An exatomic reaction still exatomic. A half-life, still half-life. And if you got 20 colors of plutonium death wish, well, so you're not stranded. You're just experimenting. We'll say we'll work with. But you know, we actually calculated shielding. We might have decay heat. Wrong. Well, you might have had a triple aneurysm, triple to 11 the numbers. Yeah, maybe those chickens were an uncontrolled variable, but they lived mostly. Would I recommend it? No. But if you're stuck in the Sahara with nothing but a dream and some zinc oxide, make the battery. Worst case, you die faster. Best case, you get a really cool job off of some state government agency. Tell the IKEA, I want a lead-lined office. Oh, and a coffee machine.